Review sheet C question 2 is asking us to do some factorising, solving these quadratic equations. That means that the calculator, although we might want to use this to actually check what the answers are, or we could even do it before we start, just to say, right, this answer here is going to be 1 and minus 5. We can only use that to check. We actually need to do the factorising ourselves. So we know it's going to have two brackets, an x and x. We know it times together to give 5, so it's 5 and 1. And what do we want? We want a positive 5 and a negative 1, because that gives us 5 take away 1 is 4. The answers then are, what makes that one 0? Minus 5. And what makes this one 0? 1. The answers that we got on the calculator. Let's try B without the calculator then at all. So we've got x and x equals 0. Times this together to give 12. Lots of things times together to give 12. But we're going with 12 and 1 because that'll make 13. They're both going to be negative. That gives the positive answer on the end. And so the answer here is x is 12 here, and x is 1 for that one there. C often confuses people because it's simpler. You've just got an x in both places. X and x add 5. So our two answers are x equals 0 and x equals minus 5. Now, when you get to D, some people try and use this split in the middle term method for that one there. With something as low as 2's, I wouldn't bother, because you know it's got to be 2x and 2. And the other time sum you've got to have has got to be 1 and 2 as well. And so you might put it in the wrong place first go, but keep trying. It's only a few places it can actually go. Here, I've got a minus 4, add the 1, makes the minus 3 that I wanted. Gives me two answers then, x equals 2 from this one here, and this one is x equals minus a half. Same with this one here, even though there's a 14 on the end, I'm pretty certain that's going to be 7 times 2. So you've got 3x and x. If you put the 7 here and the 2 there, what do you get? You get 21 and 2. 21 and 2. We can get 19 out of 21 and 2, can't we? If we make that positive 7, so that's positive 21, take away the 2, makes the 19 that we want in the middle. Gives me two answers then. X is minus 7 and x is 2/3. And the last one here, this is one without a middle term. There's no x in the middle here, and so this is one where you can complete the square. So it's 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5, giving answers of 5 over 2 and minus 5 over 2. Always look out for those completing the square ones because they're quite simple.